guys, I'm Kavya
And I'm Rashi.
and welcome back to our channel.
The Coffee Comfort Show.
Okay, so welcome back guys. We are back with our season 2 and हमने अभी तक एक एपिसोड ऑलरेडी डाल चुका है. So if आपने नहीं देखा है तो आप जाके देख सकते हैं. उसका टॉपिक था healing.
When no one.
उसका टॉपिक wait. Actually I forgot. So I just paused. और मैंने सोचा तू बोलेगी and
मुझे
तूने
लगा
गलत
तू
बोल
बोलेगी
दिया.
तो हम आराम से बैठे.
Okay, so उसका टॉपिक था कि healing when no one around you is. And yes, so थोड़ा हमने अपने वाइब चेंज कर दी है चैनल की, थोड़ी नहीं बहुत.
In the season 2.
So let's get straight to the topic now.
Yeah.
Alright.
So, have you ever found yourself saying, I am abundant, I am loved, I am
I
happy.
have the most amazing boyfriend. I am rich. I am this and that.
And still, there's nothing changing.
हाँ.
Like, the
And-
reality is as it is.
Yeah, because the affirmations are trending so much now,
Yes.
and everybody is like affirming this and that, but nothing
Yeah.
is happening. There are no results, and then
Yeah.
they think that affirmations are a scam.
Yes.
So
So, is it?
no, it isn't. But it is still not working for you, and I
Yeah.
believe कि आपके लिए work नहीं कर रहा होगा. But now let's understand the science behind why the affirmations are not working for you, and let's make them work for you.
Yeah.
So keep watching.
Yeah, basically we've seen so many people who are actually mindlessly repeating affirmations, right?
Yeah.
And their reality is completely different from what they are affirming at the moment.
Now, is it wrong to do that? But now, suppose I am fat, all right, and I'm affirming that I'm very slim, I'm thin, and beautiful, and all of that.
Yeah.
Well, yes, you are beautiful. अगर आपका काफी लोगों की affirmation हो
Yeah.
सकती है, so you are beautiful any which way. But is it wrong then?
No.
Then?
I don't think so it is wrong. Why? Because actually at least you are trying to change something. At least you are trying to bring in positive results. You are trying to up level your life or whatever, so you're
Yeah.
doing it out of self love and you're focusing on self growth. So it is, in that way, it is not a bad thing actually. But what if you can actually understand the basic science behind it and actually manifest results, right?
Yeah, that's not what I meant. कि is it wrong से मैं ये नहीं पूछ रही थी कि आप मोटे हो तो आप पतले होने के लिए राइट हो कि नहीं, ये सब नहीं पूछ रही हूँ मैं. That is each to
I
its
understood
own.
what you understand.
हाँ. What are you saying? I understood what you understand. Oh my god. Good one. What I was trying to say is that
Understood, I
is it wrong to affirm such things जो आपकी reality से different है? That is what I meant. So let me clarify. But उनके लिए भी clarify कर दो
उनको
because
भी मैं
आपने कुछ
यही
और ही
answer-
बोल दिया है.
नहीं, मैं यही बोलना चाहती हूँ. It is not wrong.
It is not wrong. Yeah, that's the answer.
अच्छा, no, it is not wrong because you are trying to.
But then why does it not work, right? Now you're suppose
Kavya's hinting, come to the point.
yeah. Suppose I affirm that I have real friends. I affirm that I have the most caring and loving boyfriend, or I make this amount of money, or I have this kind of body, or whatever affirmation जो भी आप सोच सकते हो जिसको जो भी चाहिए. But वो work क्यों नहीं कर रहा है? जबकि आप अगर आप मुझे बोलो that you are doing all the hard work, आप इतना अफर्म करते हो, आप इतना अफर्म करते हो, आप दिन रात रिपीट करते रहते हो, बट कुछ नहीं हो रहा है. तो आपको अगर ऐसा लगता है, so firstly let me burst your bubble. affirmation करने से ये मतलब नहीं है कि आप दिन में कितने बार affirmation करते हो.
So there are actually various techniques that people follow. So they say that I write 5 times.
Yeah,
5 things 55 times.
या
something
so
like
ऐसी
that.
बहुत सारी इंस्टा पे टेक्निक्स होती हैं.
Oh.
5 by 55, 7, 8,
And-
9, 1, 2, 3 जो भी टेक्निक्स
Yeah,
चलती रहती है,
yeah,
राइट?
So many.
So are those techniques a scam or are they real? What do you think?
I think actually what is a special thing about spirituality is that some things might work for somebody else and it might still not work for you. And
so what the main reasoning behind it is that technique working for you? No.
No, it is not the technique.
Either your mind is working for you or your mind is working against you.
It is like
it's never the technique that's working for you. That if
applause हो जाना चाहिए इस
five बार मैं लिखूंगी या जो भी whatever all of this is,
yeah.
I personally do not have faith in it. Why I tell you? Because आप कितने बार भी affirm कर रहे हो, अगर आपके लिए work नहीं कर रहा है, मतलब इसके deep meaning है, इसके deep reasons है. Okay, so जो हम आज understand करेंगे, let's start with reason number 1. Why is it not working for them?
I'm going to start. Okay. So basically the very
यहाँ 2-4 जन और हैं जिनसे मैंने बोला है कि let's start. कॉफी कब आएगा वहाँ से? Oh God, टीचर, चलो start.
So basically the most common error that you make while affirming is that you do it mindlessly. आप अपना दिमाग ही नहीं लगा रहे हो. अब आप मेरी कॉपी करने आती थी. आप अपना दिमाग ही नहीं लगा रहे हो. आप बस बोल रहे हो I am beautiful, whatever. If you find yourself having low self-esteem or low self-confidence.
Or just I'm thin. Let's just keep it very basic. और आपकी जो भी affirmation आपकी हो सकती
I
है.
am wealthy.
I'm wealthy. I'm thin. I'm whatever.
Okay, so you know you sometimes will claim that I affirm it 1,000 times a day and still it is not working. Why? Because you don't actually
mean it.
thank you. You don't actually mean it. You're actually not aware about you saying those things. So just saying for the sake of saying.
Yeah.
Like it is some formula or something.
Yeah, and don't do it like that. It's not like affirmations are the only thing in the world that will give you what you want.
Results,
You know, it is not at all like that. Everyone has a different journey. Everyone has different paths basically. You know, destination is the same, paths are different, journeys are different. तो ऐसा नहीं है. तो सिंपली अगर आप इसलिए करते हो बिकॉज आपने इंस्टा पे बहुत देख लिया है और आपको लग रहा है इतना ट्रेंड हो रहा है एंड दिस पर्सन दैट आई फॉलो और लुक अप टू वो ऐसा करता है, डोंट डू इट. इट वोंट वर्क फॉर यू दैट वे. सो फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू आर डूइंग इट माइंडलेसली. सो फर्स्टली अगर आपको ये करना ही है, बी माइंडफुल अबाउट इट. से व्हाट यू मीन
You have
and
to
mean what you say.
Yeah, you have to feel it. You have to believe that it is
Yes.
real. Then only you will start to see improvements.
Yes, so first believe करो आप
Believe.
और mindlessly मत बोलो.
Yeah.
Secondly is sometimes while it is not wrong but simply अगर अपन affirmations और क्यों work नहीं कर रहे इसकी बात कर रहे हैं, मतलब कहीं ना कहीं हम beginning stages में हैं अपने manifestation, spiritual, whatever journey के, right? So now setting a goal that is too far-fetched, it is not wrong. Let me be very clear.
It is not
ऐसा
wrong.
नहीं है कि possible नहीं है. There is nothing that is impossible.
Yeah.
You know, everything is possible. But आपके माइंड को वो लगेगा नहीं पॉसिबल है बिकॉज आप अभी बिगनिंग स्टेजेस में हो और आप बिल्कुल ही कुछ भी बोल दो. यू नो दैट फॉर एग्जाम्पल
I want 100 crores. I have 100 crores. Something like that.
whatever. हाँ, ऐसे भी गोल्स हो सकते हैं. इफ
I've
आपके ये
heard
goal-
these.
हाँ, तो ये गोल्स हैं आपके. अब आपको क्या सही में लगता है आपके यहाँ एक दिन के अंदर आपको 100 करोड़ मिल जाएंगे? It is a little bit far-fetched.
And we are not saying that it is impossible.
It's not impossible. Everything is possible, but
Yeah.
it will seem far-fetched. So what I would suggest you that if आपको affirmations करनी है and you want to make them work for you, what you got to do is set goals that are a little achievable, a little realistic. Realistic. I don't like the word realistic.
Yeah.
Personally, I am very against the word realistic.
Yeah. We are not realistic people. We are idealists.
We're dreamers. Okay, yeah. And मेरे दिमाग में वो modern family वाला चल रहा है that there are dreamers and there are realists. Okay. So ऐसा goal set करो जो थोड़ा आपको लगता है कि हाँ this is attainable, this is possible. वैसे goal set करो, बिल्कुल ही far-fetched goal set मत करो. Now coming to the third point.
So basically, I've studied this concept in psychology, which is called cognitive dissonance.
All right. What does it mean?
It means that when your brain thinks that your actions are not aligning with your beliefs. Okay, so for example, I've seen my clients saying, I want to attract money. So they say I'm wealthy, I'm wealthy. Okay. actions are completely different. अगर आप बोल रहे हो आई एम वेल्दी, आई एम वेल्दी, आई एम वेल्दी, ठीक है, अब आपके ऊपर जब एक्चुअली में बारी आती है कुछ इन्वेस्ट करने की, कुछ स्पेंड करने की कहीं पे, यू नो यू आर एट दैट पॉइंट वेयर यू आर गोइंग टू स्पेंड मनी, एंड दैट पॉइंट आप स्कैरसिटी माइंडसेट से ऑपरेट कर रहे हैं, बट यू हैव वेरी लिमिटेड मनी, और यार मैं ऐसा कर लेता हूँ, मैं 10-10 रुपये 20-20 रुपये भी मैं नहीं छोड़ूंगा. मतलब लोग ये स्मॉल वेंडर्स से है ना बहुत बार्गेनिंग करते हैं, या ऑटो रिक्शा ड्राइवर से. सो देन योर एक्शंस आर नॉट इन अलाइनमेंट विद व्हाट यू बिलीव, व्हाट यू आर अफर्मिंग, एंड देन इट क्रिएट कॉग्निटिव डिसोनेंस, एंड योर माइंड will choose one. Either you will continue to have that belief or you will continue to do that action. And changing belief is more easy for people. So they just change their belief.
माइंडसेट वाली जो बात है दैट इज वेरी रिलेटिव टू द सिचुएशन ऑल्सो, बट this
Yeah, it
could
is
be like
relative.
very, it is not if you are affirming I'm wealthy, that does not mean that simply when you know that someone is, for example, overcharging you,
Yeah.
or someone is just being plain rubbish to you, and you'll just give in to it because you are wealthy. मैंने तो affirm किया तो मुझे मैं ये नहीं कर सकता. This is not,
No, you're wealthy, you're not stupid.
yeah,
So you have
exactly.
to maintain your sanity also.
Yeah, so that's why I don't confuse, because sometimes this happens, you know, that you're thinking कि okay I'm affirming this, that means जिसने जो मांगा है मुझे उसको वही दे
नहीं.
देना है, या ऐसा भी नहीं होता है. You have to be aware also
Yeah.
that what is rightful, you know, or
Yeah.
what is valid or what is not valid.
Yeah.
So that is a completely different discussion. इसलिए मैं इस पर ज़्यादा नहीं करूँगी. इसलिए मुझे लग रहा था ये example can be very, you know, this thing
Okay.
that needs a discussion, because people can get caught up in some situations like that. So, but the basic thing she's saying is when your actions are not matching. For example, what comes to my mind is that now you are thinking that you want a really good relationship, for example, right? Now, if you want to attract a really good relationship, but you're constantly complaining about, you know, like all men are so bad, all men are liars, they're cheaters, or all girls are such this thing, that thing, then this is cognitive dissonance, right?
Dissonance.
Yeah. So यहाँ पे आपके actions और आपके words match नहीं हो रहे हैं, आपके affirmations. That's why
What has happened? You complete.
that's why your affirmation may not be working for you if आपका ये behavior ऐसा है तो.
दिस वेरी गुड पॉइंट. ये मुझे एक्चुअली क्लैरिफाई करना था बहुत ज़्यादा, क्योंकि बीच में अभी कंट्रोवर्सी चली थी, तो उसके कारण दैट
The
सोशल
wizard Liz.
the wizardless controversy. So what happened was everyone started posting all men are like this,
Yeah.
and this can happen to her, it can happen to us.
No.
But if you will say this, if this can happen to her, it will happen to me. Who am I?
Then you are affirming this.
Then
It will
also,
happen to you.
yeah. तो आप बस मज़े मज़े के लिए पोस्ट मत करो स्टोरीज. वट
Yeah.
एवर यू आर पुटिंग ऑन योर स्टोरीज, यू आर लाइकिंग द पोस्ट, you are actually affirming those things also.
And I have to, good point that you brought this up. I would like to give my opinion on this because I've heard this a lot, and मैंने बहुत देखा social media पे ये, but at that time we were not really active, so I did not want to give any opinion. But people were like, I have not followed her or watched her content, but I get a basic idea कि ठीक है, she is talking about manifestation and all of these stuff only, and personal growth and everything. Now, it is very much, there are very many possible reasons why it happened to her, which I have in mind, which could be possibly true. One of them तो is for definitely मतलब true ही है वो. अभी बट मैं देख रही हूँ stories डाल रहे हैं लोग कि अगर लड़कों को सोने का कटोरा भी दे दो तो भी वो भीख मांगेंगे, फॉर एग्जाम्पल ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स. या लिटरली इतनी लड़कियों ने, मैंने देख रही हूँ ये स्टोरी डाली जा रही है, एंड दे लाइक अगर इसके साथ हो सकता है तो हम तो कौन ही हैं. व्हाट इज दिस? शी इज
Who are
वन
you?
पर्सन, ओके, शी,
Yeah.
आपने उसका जो भी whatever she talks about, all good, all great, and everything is nice, but कैसे रिलेट होता है कि उसके साथ ये हुआ है तो आपके साथ ये होगा. आप क्यों ये फालतू का एफर्मेशंस कर रहे हो, एंड
Actually-
व्हाई आर यू लाइक थिंकिंग कि उसके साथ नहीं हो सकता. Whatever she is saying is the content that she's putting out, the lifestyle she is showing, everything. I'm not saying it's false or it's not matlab real. It is everything real, but everything is real, I mean, but a आपके दिमाग में क्या चल रहा है वो तो आपको वो खोल के नहीं दिखा रही है ना, कि उसके दिमाग में क्या बिलीव्स हैं,
Yeah.
उसके क्या पास्ट एक्सपीरियंसेस में उसको क्या बिलीव हुए थे, या चाइल्डहुड में उसको क्या बिलीव हुए थे, या पास्ट लाइफ का वो क्या लेके आए, वो आपको नहीं दिखा रही है. सो इट इज़ वेरी मच पॉसिबल कि इनमें से कोई रीज़न था जो सिंपली उसका मैनिफेस्ट हुआ. इट इज़ एज सिंपल एज दैट. इट हैज़ नथिंग टू डू विथ हाउ सक्सेसफुल और रिच शी इज़ कि उसके साथ ऐसा भी हो गया तो मतलब हम तो भाई ऐसे. दिस इज़ वेरी लाइक दिस इज़ प्योर रबिश एंड आई वाज लाइक oh my god, why is everyone constantly trying to just become relatable, that okay, I have also heard her, I know her, and you know, just getting in that loop of Instagram trends and whatever, that felt very
Yeah.
bullshitty to me.
Actually, you have to be very conscious while you are using Insta. तो मैं तो यही समझती हूँ कि if I am liking a certain meme, that means I am relating to it, and if I am relating to it, that means it can happen in my life. So I don't even, you know, what is the word? Associate myself with any kind of meme which I don't want to happen into my life. Okay? So you have to be very conscious. अगर आप मजाक में डाल रहे हो कि लड़के ऐसे होते हैं, फिर आप मजाक में डाल रहे हो कि लड़कियाँ ऐसी होती हैं, मान लो.
Yeah, and come on, like, do you really feel all men are this, or all girls, or everyone in a particular category is dash dash whatever? No, come on. So I think generalizing is like so, मतलब कितने पुरानी बात हो गई. अब तब बोला जाता था ये सब, अब ये सब कहाँ. आप थोड़ा आगे बढ़ो. एंड इफ आप इस जर्नी पे हो, then definitely I would suggest, we would suggest you that please do not fall into these nonsense trends and stories and whatever topics are going on. It has got nothing to do with you. And
So basically what happens is that confirmation bias सुना होगा ना आपने. अगर आप सोच लोगे ना ये ऐसा ही होता है, all men are dogs, ठीक है, अगर सोचोगे ऐसा तो ये आपका एक बायस बनेगा. अब आप उसको बार बार कोई आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी तो आप बोलोगे देखा ऐसे ही होता है ना, ऐसे करके उसको बायस को, उस बिलीव को इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग कर लोगे, ऑब्वियसली आपकी लाइफ में रिफ्लेक्ट होगा. ऑब्वियसली यू विल अट्रैक्ट पीपल हु विल प्रूव इट टू यू दैट यू आर करेक्ट. ठीक है, तो डोंट एसोसिएट योरसेल्फ विद दीज थिंग्स. आप मे अफर्म थिंग्स intentionally, and then you also have to align your actions. Okay?
Yes.
Then you will find results.
yes, and we would like to wrap up by saying that be positive. You are in this journey for a reason. You have found this video for a reason. अभी तक आपको रिजल्ट नहीं मिला, कोई बात नहीं. There's always, you know, the next day. There's always tomorrow. So keep affirming with intentions, with beliefs, and do the rightful, needful action, and you will 100% get there. We promise you.
And also, if you would like, you can write affirmations, whatever you want, in the comment section.
Yes.
And we will read all of them, and we will also affirm them for you.
Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Subscribe kare if you like this sort of content, and we're going to make this journey of healing and spirituality 100x easier for you. So let's be a part of this beautiful community together. Subscribe, like, and share with someone who needs it. Bye bye.